Let's take a look at what causes unsafe working conditions. Unsafe conditions are the main cause of accidents in the workplace. Conditions might include improperly guarded equipment, defective equipment, hazardous procedures, unsafe storage like congestion or overloading, or improper illumination that might include glare or insufficient light. Spills on the floors, tripping hazards such as blocked aisles, working from heights including ladders and scaffolds, and electrical hazard like frayed cords also could create these conditions. The main purpose of OSHA standards is to address such mechanical and physical accident-causing conditions. The Employer Safety Department and its managers should have the responsibility for identifying unsafe conditions. While accidents can happen anywhere, the worst ones occur around metal and woodworking machines like saws, transition machinery like gears, and cutting machines and conveyors. Work schedules and fatigue also affect accident rates. Accident rates usually don't increase too noticeably during the first 5 or 6 hours of the workday, but after that, the rate increases faster. This is due partly to fatigue and partly to the fact that accidents occur more often during night shifts. Many employers therefore take steps to reduce employee fatigue, such as banning mandatory overtime. A strong pressure to complete the work as quickly as possible, employees who are under stress, and poor safety climate are some of the psychological conditions leading to accidents. Accidents occur more frequently in plants with high seasonal layoff rates.